Once you have been activated, once you have been come back here, tools and setting, keyword planner. Okay, this particular thing will be shown. On left hand side we have a discover new keywords and get search volume and forecast. We'll select this one, discover the new keywords, in a sense to check that which are the keywords are available for my topic. Okay, we'll select that one. Now it is asking which key, enter a product or service closely related to your business, which product you are dealing with. I say that organic foods. Okay, and say get results. Okay, that is the one keyword we have been added. That is nothing but organic foods. That is the one keyword has been added. Here we can see here first setting wise, the location we have been selected India. We can change the location. Okay, you like to target only the like Maharashtra. Okay, only Maharashtra, then we select Maharashtra. Okay, in India we selected Maharashtra. If we take it out India, then only the Maharashtra will be focused. Like this we can change the location also, where exactly you would like to promote your ad. Then language also you can change. Okay, and you can change the network, in the sense only the Google or Google and search partners. Google and search partners is nothing but Google related search partners. And the last 12-month data here it will be shown. If you like to get it only 1 month data, you can select this one, last month data, so that the data whatever you have been seen here, whatever data you are getting here, it will be last month data. Okay, then here organic food, that is a one keyword you have been added. If you like to add another keyword, here another keyword you can add, like a uh, hair oil. Okay, like this you can keep adding keywords here, then say get results. So that two keywords we have been added. You can also the organic stores, organic hair treatment, like this keywords what they have been suggested, these keywords also you can search. First we will understand about here what are the things have been shown. Okay, here the keywords, these are the two, the primary keyword you have been selected. Okay, these are the keywords you have been given, organic foods and hair oil. And the other keyword ideas which is suggested by the Google based on a search engine, in the sense what customers are searching, so far what they have been searched about keywords, those keywords has been shown here. Coconut oil for health. Okay, we can increase the width, select and increase the width. Okay, for hair, castor oil for hair. Okay, these are the some of the searches happen in a Google, so that you can also select these as a keyword if it is relevant to your business. Only if it is relevant to your product, which one you are going to promote, service you are going to promote. If it is relevant to that, then only you have to select these. You can select any of the keyword ideas suggested by the Google, and Google will suggest a keyword based on the search which is happened in a previous month. This is the August month search. By considering that, they will be suggested whatever the keyword you have in plan, related keywords also there in a market. Okay, so many keywords are there here. Okay, total how many keywords are there related to your product, that is nothing but a 2057. Okay, 2057 keywords are there, belongs to organic fruit and hair oil. If I take it out hair oil, or only hair oil if I keep, how many keywords are available? 1659 keyword ideas, in the sense different combination of oil or hair oil. Okay, these you can see different combination and relevant products related to that particular, it is there here. Okay, this is about your keyword and relevant keyword. Then second column talks about a monthly searches, average search happen on that particular keyword. The keyword you have been selected hair oil, the average search is nothing but 1000 to 10,000. 1k to 10k is nothing but 1000 to 10,000 search happen in a web for this particular keyword. Someone searching in a Google hair oil 1000 to 10,000 times in a month. Okay. Third, it shows that competition, is it highly competitive keyword or a low competition. For this particular keyword there is a high competition. You can check. You can also change here from competition high to low, low to high. Okay, here by selecting this arrow mark you can change. Low competition keywords you can check. Okay, the competition 10 to 100, only 10 to 100, within 100 a search will happen for these kind of the keywords if you are using. Okay, the high competition keywords which are searched most are these are the keywords which have been searched most of the time. And third one is nothing but a add impression. Okay, add impression is nothing but, if you click here, here it is not shown. Once you have been selected a keyword, it will show that add impression. Impression is nothing but how many times this particular ad will be shown. Whenever they search about a hair oil or related queries, hair oil related queries, how many times your ad will be shown on a page, first page of your Google search. That is nothing but a ad impression. Okay. Then it comes to the top paid bids, in the sense the high range between, what is the range between your bid will happen, in the sense someone click on your ad, how much need to be paid, the lowest to highest, in the sense minimum cost will be 1.91 rupees if you are using this keyword, 1.91 rupees, and maximum up to 14.15 rupees, 14.15 rupees, in the sense we have to, here we have to take care, in the sense we have to select a keyword. You have to select a keyword. It should be relevant to your product. It should be relevant to your product. It should has a high search volume. Okay, high search volume, competition, high competition, and it should be in a minimum cost, at a minimum cost. You can see, compared to the hair oil, if you are using a coconut oil for hair, your cost will come down 2 rupees to 8 rupees it is there. Okay, you can search like that. Okay, highest bid, you can also take highest to lowest. The highest bid for the oil massage for hair, this particular keyword, if you are using oil massage for hair, you need to pay 821 rupees. Someone click on your ad. Okay, minimum 2.71. If no one is there, then 2.71. But when sometime someone paid 821 when it was a booming, in the sense someone highly demanded that particular time. Again, you can take it lowest to highest here by selecting this arrow mark. 1 rupee also it is possible for us, like this Bajaj oil. If you are dealing with a Bajaj oil, then you can select a keyword as a Bajaj oil. Okay, like this we can select the keyword in such a way that it should be relevant to your ad. Okay, and it should have a high search volume and lowest in a price. Okay, now you can see one thing, you can see here, Bajaj oil is not relevant to you. Your company is something different. It's not belongs to Bajaj. If you are selecting a Bajaj oil, okay, as a keyword, and you created an ad, and whenever someone searching for a Bajaj oil, your uh, ad will be comes on a top, and someone click on your ad. If they are not purchasing, then your whatever the 1 rupee or 2 rupee you are paying for a click will be waste. So that we have to select the add keyword in such a way that it should be relevant to uh, your business. Okay, what you have been doing. Okay, otherwise you should not select that one. Okay, that is the one thing. Then it comes to a account status or computation wise. Okay, now you can select the keyword which is relevant to you. Okay, once you have been selected a keyword which is relevant to you, the other things we will discuss in a next video.